Good morning, students. Last class, that is a chemistry class, previous class, we are discussing about pH of salt. pH of salt. Today, class is chemicals from common salt. So many chemicals, preparation from common salt. Common salt means sodium chloride. This is a sodium chloride. Preparation many compound from sodium chloride. That is a common salt. Chemicals from common salt. Chemical from common salt. You know, seawater, that is ozone and sea contain so many chemicals present. So many chemicals present, particularly many salt present. Seawater containing many salt. Say example, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, and calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, gold, silver, platinum. So many chemicals is present in the seawater. Present in seawater. Okay. Now this topic is the chemicals from common salt. So common salt, chemicals, extraction from common salt. You know what is the meaning of rock salt? No, rock salt. Rock salt is a brown color. Rock salt is a light brown color. There is a large crystal of sodium chloride. Large crystal of sodium chloride is known as rock salt. Large crystal of sodium chloride is known as rock salt, often brown color. The color is a brown color. So rock salt color is a brown color. Rock salt color is a brown color. Rock salt chemical name is a sodium chloride. Chemical name of rock salt is a sodium chloride. Chemical name of rock salt is a sodium chloride. There is a large crystal of sodium chloride. Its color is a brown color. Is known as rock salt. This is a rock salt. This is known as rock salt. Okay. Now, common salt. A raw material for chemicals. So many materials preparation from common salt. Common salt formed by NaCl, sodium chloride. Is a sodium chloride. That is a sodium chloride, common salt. In this sodium chloride, we prepared sodium hydroxide. That is a sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride is known as bleaching powder. This is known as bleaching powder. This is known as bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. So this calcium oxychloride is preparation from sodium chloride. That is common salt. Next, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Another name is baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Another name is baking soda. Third one is sodium carbonate. This is a washing soda. This is a washing soda. This first sodium hydroxide is prepared from sodium chloride. Second, bleaching powder is prepared from sodium chloride. Third, sodium carbonate, bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. NaHCl is prepared from sodium chloride. Sodium carbonate, that is a washing soda, is prepared from sodium chloride. So four chemicals is prepared from sodium chloride. That is a common salt. So this is very important chemicals. So many chemicals prepared from sodium chloride. That is a common salt. Okay. First preparation is a sodium hydroxide. First sodium hydroxide. NaOH is preparation. Sodium hydroxide. Another name is caustic soda. Caustic soda. Caustic soda. That is sodium hydroxide. Another name is caustic soda. Caustic soda, NaOH, caustic soda. Okay, now caustic soda preparation or sodium hydroxide preparation from common salt. Okay, prepared from common salt. Okay, one activity, there is one experiment. You take a electrolytic cell. This cell is known as electrolytic cell. The cell is known as electrolytic cell. You take a one cell, that is an electrolytic cell, or any vessels, You fill it with the aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Filled with the aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride aqueous solution, that is means sodium chloride dissolved in water. Sodium chloride dissolved in water is known as brine solution. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is known as brine solution. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is known as brine solution. You take one vessels, that is a electrolytic cells. You filled with the sodium chloride, that is a brine solution, that is known as brine. Brine solution. Brine solution. Now, if we insert the two electrode, this is the electrode. This is the electrode. Electrode. One first electrode, second electrode. The first electrode is connected with battery. That is a battery. Positive terminal is known as anode. That is a first electrode fitted with the anode. Second electrode fitted with the cathode. That is a negative terminal. First electrode is connected with the positive terminal. Second electrode is connected with the negative terminal. The positive terminal is known as anode. Negative terminal is known as cathode. Okay. Now we fill it with the brine solution. 10 voltage battery. Minimum 10 voltage or 10 voltage battery. You insert the electrode. That is a graphite electrode or any metal electrodes or graphite electrodes. One electrode is known as anode. Another electrode is a cathode. And battery is a 10 voltage battery. Now you insert the key. That is a key. You insert the key. What happened? Anode bubbles is formed. Cathode is a bubbles is formed. That is a gas releasing. And cathode also gas releasing. That is means sodium chloride dissolved in water, that is known as aqueous solution. That is a brine solution. When current is passed, that is a electric current. You pass the electric current, what happens? In anode, chlorine is releasing. Anode, chlorine is releasing. Anode, chlorine gas is releasing. Chlorine gas is releasing. In cathode, hydrogen gas is releasing. Electrolysis of sodium chloride, hydrogen gas is releasing. The cathode, hydrogen gas is releasing. Cathode, equal amount. Anode and cathode, chlorine and hydrogen is equal amount is releasing. So, anode chlorine releasing, cathode hydrogen releasing. Then, sodium deposited at the cathode. Sodium, that is NaCl generally NaCl electric current passing, we form Na plus ion and Cl minus ion and Cl minus ion. In aqueous solution containing water, aqueous, that is a sodium chloride dissolved in water, is decomposed into H plus ion and OH minus ion and OH minus ion. Now this chlorine gas releasing anode. This hydrogen is releasing cathode. Hydrogen releasing cathode. Hydrogen is releasing cathode. Now this sodium metal deposited at the cathode. Sodium metal is a deposit at the cathode. What happens? Sodium deposit cathode. The sodium suddenly reacted to highly reactive metal. High reactive metals. Sodium, high reactive metal. High reactive metal. So this sodium metal is formed and reacted to water molecule. Reacted to water molecule. Because the highly reactive metal, this highly reactive metal, what happens? Sodium react to water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is releasing. This is the sodium hydroxide formation. This is the sodium hydroxide formation. Sodium hydroxide formation, that is brine solution. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is known as brine solution. To pass the electric current, and is chlorine release, cathode is a hydrogen is released. Cathode release hydrogen is released. Cathodes. Chlorine released anode. Sodium hydroxide is formed. Sodium hydroxide is formed. So, in this process name, here chlorine, sodium hydroxide is formed. Chlorine and sodium hydroxide is formed. So, this process name 2NaCl plus 2H2O to form 2NaOH plus chlorine and hydrogen. So hydrogen is released at cathode, chlorine released into anode, chlorine released at the anode. So sodium hydroxide and chlorine is formed. Sodium hydroxide and chlorine is formed. This is sodium hydroxide is known as alkali. That is a base. This is a base. Sodium hydroxide is known as base alkali. This is a chlorine. This is a chlorine formation. Anode. So this process name is chlorine formation and alkali formation. So this process name CHO-LR, chloro alkali process. This is a chloro-alkali process because chlorine and alkali formation. This is a chloro-alkali process. Chloro-alkali process. So overall process name is electrolysis of sodium chloride. That is a brine solution. Brine solution. Electrolysis of brine solution. Electrolysis means breaking. Lysis means breaking. Electron is current. You pass the current through the brine solution. This sodium chloride is breaking. Passing current through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride or brine solution. This sodium chloride decomposes. That is a breaking. Is known as lysis. Passing the current is known as electrolysis. This process is known as electrolysis. Lysis means is a breaking. You pass the current is known as electrolysis. Electrolysis of sodium chloride. That is aqueous solution of brine solution. Electrolysis of sodium chloride is known as brine solution. Okay. Now, in this electrolysis process or chloro-alkali process, three chemicals is formed. Three chemicals are formed. One is a sodium hydroxide. Second one is a chlorine. Third one is a hydrogen. So three chemicals is formed: sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and H2O. This sodium hydroxide is prepared from sodium chloride. So the sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and hydrogen is released. So three chemicals is a preparation from sodium chloride. This is prepared from sodium chloride. Now uses of these three chemicals. First, hydrogen uses. Hydrogen is a fuel. Hydrogen used is a fuel. That is a future fuels. Hydrogen is known as future fuels. Hydrogen known as future fuels. That is a future fuels. Hydrogen is a future fuels by using the car and by nowadays they are using foreign countries. The German country using the fuels for train. Second, hydrogen is used for ammonia preparation for fertilizer. So ammonia preparation this is. Ammonia. Here hydrogen. This hydrogen This hydrogen used to preparation of ammonia. This is how nitrogen react with the hydrogen to form ammonia. This is a fertilizer. This ammonia used as a fertilizer. This ammonia used as a fertilizer. Say one example fertilizer, urea. Urea formula NH2CO NH2. That is the urea. This urea prepared from using ammonia. Using ammonia. Right? Using ammonia. This ammonia is prepared from by using hydrogen. Hydrogen using. So hydrogen is reactive to nitrogen to form ammonia. This is a fertilizer. This fertilizer example urea NH2CO NH2. Urea. This urea is prepared by using ammonia. This ammonia is prepared from hydrogen react with nitrogen. This process is known as Haber process. This process is known as Haber process. The process is known as Haber process. So this is the hydrogen used for preparation of ammonia for fertilizer. For fertilizer. For fertilizer. The next second chemical is a chlorine. Chlorine is prepared from by using the sodium electrolysis to form chlorine and hydrogen sodium dioxide. Second chemical is chlorine. Chlorine uses. Chlorine uses for water treatment. Chlorine used for water treatment. Second is PVC. That is a polyvinyl chloride. PVC is a polyvinyl chloride. PVC is a polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. That is a PVC preparation, polyvinyl chloride. PVC formula. PVC polyvinyl chloride. This is a PVC formula. CHCl and PVC. Preparation of PVC. This is here chlorine using. Here chlorine using. So this is the PVC. This PVC preparation by using chlorine. This chlorine is coming from by using electrolysis of sodium chloride. That is a PVC. Third preparation chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon. Third uses chlorofluorocarbon. CFC. Fluorocarbon. CF2, Cl2. This is a chlorofluorocarbon. And the other name is freon gas. This is a freon gas. Nowadays it is banned because it is used as a fridge. Usually in a fridge. That is fluorine by using preparation of CFC. Next is pesticide, disinfectant. So these chemicals. First water treatment. By using the chlorine, water treatment, that is used in a swimming pool or any water treatment. Second, chlorine is what? PVC, polyvinyl chloride preparation, chlorofluorocarbon, freon gas, preparation, pesticide, disinfectant preparation. Now, third is sodium hydroxide. Third chemical is sodium hydroxide. What is the uses of sodium hydroxide? It is a degreasing metal. In a metal, grease removing agent. That is sodium hydroxide. Now, soap preparation using soap preparation, sodium hydroxide using. And next, detergent preparation, paper making, artificial fiber preparation by using sodium hydroxide. Now, these two chemicals, hydrogen and chlorine, is a combined hydrogen chloric acid, hydrochloric acid preparation. This hydrogen and chlorine using preparation of hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide and chlorine. We form bleaching, mixing of Sodium hydroxide and chlorine used for bleaching. Agent. So this is the first chemical of sodium hydroxide prepared from aqueous solution of sodium chloride. That is a brine solution. Now next topic is a bleaching powder. Next topic is a bleaching powder. Next topic is a bleaching powder. Bleaching powder formula CaOCl2. This is a chemical name calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride is known as bleaching powder. It is another name. No. First lesson you are studying about this chemical. What? This is a lime. So this is the chloride of lime. Chloride of lime is known as bleaching powder. Bleaching powder preparations. That is CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. Is another name is chloride of lime. Now it is a preparations. Preparation of bleaching powder. Preparation of bleaching powder. This is the dry slaked lime. Dry slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. You pass the chlorine gas. This chlorine is preparation from electrolysis of, that is a electrolysis of brine solution or sodium chloride. Main product sodium hydroxide formation, side product chlorine and hydrogen formation. That chlorine pass through this dry slaked lime to form bleaching powder. That is a calcium oxychloride and water molecule. Calcium oxychloride and water molecule. That is a chlorine pass through the dry slaked lime to form calcium oxychloride. That is a bleaching powder. Formation of bleaching powder. That is chlorine. This chlorine coming from electrolysis of brine solution. That is a brine solution passing through the current to form chlorine and hydrogen and sodium hydroxide. That chlorine passes through the dry slaked lime to form calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder. That is a bleaching powder. This is bleaching powder. Another name is a calcium oxychloride. This is two names is there. One is a calcium oxychloride. This is a scientific name. Commercial chloride of lime. Chloride of lime is known as another name. Okay. Now uses. Bleaching powder uses. Bleaching powder uses for bleaching cotton, and linen in textile industry. Bleaching powder using. This is the bleaching actions. Second uses bleaching of pulp. Bleaching of laundry. wash the cloth in laundry. Fourth, this is oxidizing agent. Fifth, disinfecting drinking water. Okay, that's the uses of bleaching powder. First uses bleaching of cotton. You know, cotton bleach. Cotton is a light grey color. Now, using the bleaching powder is converted into pure white color. Second, reason that in textile industry, that is a bleaching powder used in the textile industry for bleaching of cotton and linen. Second is bleaching of wood pulp. No, using the bamboo tree. That is wood pulp. Bamboo tree cut into small pieces and grind into pieces and mixing into water is known as wood pulp. That is light grey color. By using the bleaching powder, this wood pulp is converted into light grey to white color. This is used for paper preparation. You know, TNPL, this style used wood pulp paper tree. Third is bleaching of washed cloth in laundry. Washed cloth by using the bleaching powder. Fourth uses oxidizing agent. And fifth uses disinfectant drinking water. That is make it free from germs. This is a bleaching powder uses. Okay. Again, bleaching powder. This is a chemical name is calcium oxychloride. It's a chemical formula CaOCl2. This other name is chloride of lime. It is preparation calcium hydroxide dry slate lime. This chlorine passes through the dry slate lime to form calcium oxychloride. This is bleaching powder and water molecule. Uses of bleaching powder used in the textile industry for cotton, bleaching of cotton in or so many industries. Bleaching powder used in the wood pulp, preparation of wood pulp and drying of wood pulp, color changes. Third uses bleaching of laundry purpose. Fourth is a very good oxidizing agent. Fifth, disinfecting drinking water and make it free from germs. Okay. Today class is over. Tomorrow next class, that is next video class, we will discuss about the baking soda, washing soda. That's all. And next class, we will discuss about the board question paper. This lesson, board question paper. Thank you, children. Sir,